Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of December 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? So let's see what's there for my Aries. December 2021, my Aries. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. So let's see what's there for my Aries. December 2021, past, present and future energies, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Aries, what's going on? Aries energies, please. At the back of the deck, we have death energies. Okay, so something coming up to a finish. Okay, something ending, some kind of new beginnings in life. But yeah, definitely there are endings. So this month is bringing you new beginnings, definitely. This is something, beginnings are stable. Some stable beginnings I am really getting. In the past, we have Six of Pentacles, King of Swords and Temperance. So an energy where you were kind, you were generous to someone, but somebody else was really cold-hearted towards you. I really feel that this is some person's energies towards you. Aries could be dealing with an Aquarius over here, or Aquarius, Libra, definitely. Okay, and this is more like or a Gemini as well, but this is somebody who was really cold towards you in the past, and I think you said goodbye to this person already. Okay, this is the goodbye of that situation, but I'm going to clarify more because why it has come up in your reading right now. In the present, we have Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Wands and Ten of Wands. I feel that somewhere somebody is trying to flirt with you, or somebody is trying to come back to you. Somebody new might be trying to flirt with you, and somebody else, because of somebody else's energies in your head and in your heart, it's really hard to go towards something new for you. So this might be a difficulty you might be going through at present. In the coming future, we have the Sun, Page of Wands and Four of Swords. So this is definitely healing energies which is coming up in the month of December to you. So this is definitely a new beginning and a very beautiful and a very enthusiastic, we would say a passion beginning, okay, which is coming up in the month of December to you. But for some of you, it could be some health issues might be coming up, but you are healing in those health issues. So if you are going through that kind of a problem, this is a time for healings coming up in your life. Okay, so let's clarify your reading now. Alright, so why the Death card is here as an overall energy for my Aries, please? Death. Ace of Pentacles, Page of Swords and Judgment. Okay, so this is definitely the ending of something which was meant to happen, or it was already on the verge of ending. You already knew that with this person or this situation there is some ending, and you were planning for this kind of ending, or you were sure that this thing will end. There is someone over here in your energies. This could be your energies as well. So if you are a cross watcher, or if you are watching this video for your Aries person, so whatever this is, you can take this vice versa as well. So this can be you, your person over here. So just take as it resonates. So this is somebody new who is coming towards your life, towards you, and I'm seeing some online chit-chattings, online messages, social media, you are at Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp, you are chatting with this person. it feels like this is something new and you are finding it really positive. You are definitely going through this energy. Definitely this is a new stable energy. You are feeling that this is something stable, that this person is not going to leave me. But let's check past energies. Why are these past energies here for my Aries? Six of Pentacles. Why the Six of Pentacles is here? Six of Pentacles clarified by Six of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and the Tower energy. Okay, so Tower, Seven of Swords has come up in the reverse, so I'm going to take it in reverse. I feel that, you know, as I told you, that you knew before that this is going to end, but you were not letting it end because you were so kind that other person was taking you for granted, I feel, and the endings were already there. It was like, you know, this relationship also already went really toxic in the past, and things were already ended, but you were just lingering on to the situation. You were self-sabotaging yourself. That is what I'm feeling. You were not doing anything good to yourself. Tell me about the King of Swords in the past energies. Page of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and Four of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel that it was luck which actually took you out from the bad situation you were in. You should be really grateful for that, because universe really wanted to for you to come out of that bad situation, of that toxic situation, if it was. It also involved some violence which I am getting, but you were still holding on. You were seeing that whether your person might be fine. You know, they might become really good again, and they might become fine again. Abusive, this relationship became really abusive, really toxic, but you were still waiting for them, that everything will be fine, you know, things will become okay with this person. If I will give more energies, if I will give more love to my person, he or she will again be fine with me. But there was never a time that this, when you felt anything was changing. Tell me about the Temperance energy in the past. Okay. Temperance, clarified by Temperance. I'm really getting all those energies of same cards coming out. Okay. So Temperance, clarified by Temperance, Lovers, and Two of Cups. Oh my God. Yes, you were trying to balance this relationship. You always felt that this person is your soulmate. You have always loved this person like anything. But what about them? I don't see any love from their side. I am not able to see. I'm sorry, but I don't see any love from their side. Let me clarify. One more card for the Temperance energy. Nine of Wands. See? One person was blocking. One person was giving and giving and giving. The other person was blocking and blocking and ignoring and ghosting, all those things which were happening in the past. Are you still involved with this person? Because somewhere in the present, I am really getting that you're still involved with this person. You're still in that pressure. Somewhere you know that for some of you, you have already ended this thing, but for some of you, it's like you're still in the process of going on. Although there is somebody else also you are talking to, you might be with someone else over here. Somebody else is flirting with you. There's a new communication, definitely, but at the same time you are involved with this person. Ten of Wands. Tell me more about the Ten of Wands energy, please. Two of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, and High Priestess. Yeah, you really want to work on this relationship more, although you are just juggling in between two people now. You know that something is not right, you know that things are not right with that person, but you are still trying to work out in that relationship. Some endings are there. The universe is trying to tell you endings are approaching here, but it's you who are not ready to accept those endings. There is new energies coming up, Aries, so whether you take it or not, the new energies are coming. It's your call to make, it's your decision what to do. Tell me about this Knight of Wands energy in the present. Queen of Swords, the Hanged Man, and Three of Swords. Seriously, hanging on in this continuous energy, because this person with whom you are dealing with is a Knight of Wands. Just a person who comes and goes. Like, you feel that this person is your soulmate, but this person is not your soulmate. This person is just here to cut you off, to break your heart, to hurt you more and more, and being away with somebody else over there. I see cheating over here, and you are hanging on for this person, but you are not able to see something new which is coming up. So let me check, what is this Ace of Pentacles about you? Page of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Devil. So there is a strong attractive energies which are coming towards you, Aries. This person might be messaging you, and this person might be wanting to communicate with you because they have strong flirtatious energies. Right now it's more of an attractive energy which I am getting, but you are confused in the situation. So this can be you, this can be your person over here. So just take as it resonates. But this is definitely somebody is confused in this relationship, and you are not wanting to. You know that you are getting hurt in that other relationship, but you are not ready to accept this new relationship. For some of you, those who have already ended this past, you are just, you are in that memory lane of that past lover. Tell me about the Page of Wands in the future energies. Eight of Swords, Ten of Wands, and the Empress. I feel that you are being a victim of the situation. You are still holding on. You are still carrying on all the load with yourself. You are not letting it down. Somewhere you are not releasing that problems, that situation with the person you are dealing with, because there's a strong love from your side, strong love from your end. Aries, I don't know what you're doing, but somebody is waiting over there for you. There's something better which is coming up for you. That is what I am really getting. You might be affecting a lot of health, a lot of mental health could be also deteriorating. Let me check the Four of Swords. Why the Four of Swords is here? Page of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and Ace of Swords. Yeah, if you're wanting for this person to give you commitment, I don't see any commitment from this person to you. It's just you are fighting for yourself. You are fighting for the relationship, but they are fighting. You are fighting for the relationship, but they are fighting for themselves. And the clarity is already there. They are already clear with their communication with you, with their feelings with you. They have already told you, I feel, but you are not ready to accept that thing. Yeah, okay, so I feel that is the situation then, okay? So Aries, that is all from my side, and I hope it helped you, okay? So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye.